Hey everyone, it's bee checking time. Today we're also going to check and see how the super's doing. They are making honey. Oh my gosh. They started in the center. This one right here has the most on it. I'm kind of shaking because I'm so excited about this. Oh, look. There's only a little bit in there, but it's okay. That is awesome. And then there's this one. That's got quite a bit on it too. So amazing. When we put the frames in here, we separated them a little bit more. So there's technically 10 frames supposed to be in here, but this is for honey. So we only put 9 in here. And what that does is make the bees grow the honeycomb out further so that when we do the extraction, it's easier to uncap them. And I can already tell just by looking down that they are much wider than the ones below. So that is awesome. So I'm going to be very gentle and I'm going to take this off. Ooh, that's so heavy. Just wait until it's full. Maybe it's just because it's stuck. Okay, today guys, we are gonna treat for mites. One of the signs that you have mite problem is if the bees are extracting the bad larva or the larva that got infected. The mites feed off of the babies, the larva. So what they'll do is the good bees will go in and take them out. And at the bottom of the hive, you'll see a bunch of bees. I don't think we're there for that. We did test them and there was a few, not a lot. I'd say there was like 2 mites. But anyways, I'm going to show you that we do have there's a little pile, not big. Some of the videos I was watching, there was a lot more. So that's always a plus. I only see a couple down there. Let's see if I can move the weeds out the way. You can't really see. There's maybe 20 that I can tell. So we're gonna do the hive inspection and then we're gonna put the treatment down for the mites. They do such a good job at filling in these, making these stick. It's hard to get them out. They're gonna get mad at me. Look, they're already attacking my face. Intruder alert, intruder alert. Wow. Actually, let's do the other side. Oop. Ah! So sorry, bees. Sometimes it's really hard to pull these guys out. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. Man. Oh. Not a whole lot of honey and brood in this one, which is fine. It's an outer one, which is crazy. We might need to split this hive next year or soon. I don't know. Damn it. Doesn't want to come up. Oh yeah, there's lots of room on this one. So much room. Nothing on that side. There's room to grow in here for sure. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the strips on for the MITE treatment. All right guys, this is what I'm using. This is safe to put on the hive while you have a super on. It is approved, I think, by the FDA, whatever the government approved this to be used during collecting of the honey with a super. So we are going to use it because I do not want a hive to go bad. Definitely want to keep track of these, or keep the hive in good order because we want to do what's best for it. I am going to put rubber gloves on as well. Hopefully these things fit. That's still burning. I'm going to push them down so that I don't lay it on the bees. There is 2 here. Okay, so I'm going to put one over here and right there. Make sure it's a few inches apart. This is really strong, so try to be upwind of it. It is not pretty. Makes you lose your breath, that's for sure. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the super back on. All right, so there you have it. That is how you treat for the MITE, and how you can tell if it's not in a good state. When I checked, there wasn't a whole lot. I also did the test and looked at the bottom, and there wasn't a huge pile. There was a few, but not a lot. So we're catching it early, and this should help get rid of those mites. Now, we are going to leave these on for 7 days, so I will need to check in 1 week, take them off, and then I do not do another set or another treatment for a month. So these will be on for 7 days, take a month off, and then we can treat again. And I will do another test in a month to see if we have any mites again. So I'll do the little test. I'll put some bees into the little cup and put that oil in there and see if we have any more mites. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I always forget to take this off. Gosh darn it. Oh. That was an easy fix. All right. All right, guys, thanks so much. Oops. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming along. And if you have any tips or pointers for me as a beekeeper, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments because I am a newbie. I do have my bee mentors, Just Bee Farm, where we got our bees from. And they are amazing. If we have any questions, or if we don't have questions, they always let me know, or us know, if I need to do something at a certain time. So I absolutely love them, and I'm sure they will have something to say about what I've done today, which is totally fine. I am learning. Anyways, guys, thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next time. We'll catch you the next time around.